Unlock a seamless and private way to pay online without even needing a MyPaysafe account. Today, we're diving into how to use Paysafecard Direct, a fantastic option for quick, secure payments directly to merchants who support it. The beauty of Paysafecard Direct is its simplicity and the privacy it offers when you use this method. You're not sharing bank details or personal information directly with the online store. The first step is always to find a merchant that accepts Paysafecard. Once you've selected your items, proceed to the checkout page as you normally would. On the payment method selection screen, look for the official Paysafecard logo and select it as your preferred way to pay. You'll then be prompted to enter your 16-digit Paysafecard PIN. This is the unique code found on your voucher or e-voucher. Carefully input your PIN once entered. Confirm the transaction. The payment is then authorized instantly, and you're all set. It's that simple. No account creation, no lengthy forms, just quick, direct, and private payments. Keep your online transactions secure and straightforward with Paysafecard Direct.